great course, very fun and insightful. Great teacher, and I think I'm going to be using a lot of the information later on. So, cheers.
All
Thank
right.
you.
A couple of words about this school. It was pretty fast, and the time I would like to remember for entire life. And this experience I will never forget, probably. Thank you, my mentor, and thank you. Compared to all the guys, I'm pretty young in here, and thank you for everyone to helping me in here.
Well, it was useful, it was informative, it was entertainment, and I suggest everyone to visit it.
Thank you, my best tutor, and thank you, Fuse School, for these 5 days.